All right, we're gonna go in there and see what the conditions for the cows are.
Wait, you have to, here, let me take you.
No,
Wait, you have to introduce yourself. Who are you?
No, I'm anonymous. Don't show my face. Don't show my face. Give me the camera. Give me the camera.